Are you fed up with the fight against unwanted fat and the endless loop of dieting? Dreaming of a way to slim down naturally and keep the weight off for good without feeling hungry or missing out? Well, it's time to switch things up and get excited because we have some life-changing tips that have already helped heaps of folks just like you break free from the weight loss struggle and get healthy. Let's get this straight right from the start. Glow Health Insights is teamed up with top-notch health experts and uses only the best strategies to help you shed fat fast. Imagine being able to drop pounds effortlessly, boost your energy to new heights, and enjoy tasty, fat-busting meals. That's exactly what you get with our tried-and-true methods. We've dug into the latest studies and teamed up with health pros to give you top-tier tactics for revving up your metabolism and kickstarting your fat loss. We're not about quick fixes or passing trends. We're here to guide you out of the diet maze for good, towards lasting change. Our approach goes deep, tackling the real reasons behind weight gain so you can transform your body and life for the better. And guess what? We're making it all super accessible and practical. No need to wade through jargon or impossible schedules. We've got a smart, budget-friendly plan that's a breeze to follow and will slot right into your busy life. And yes, it's all backed by solid science and the success stories of loads of people who've seen amazing results with our program. But wait, there's more. We want your journey to a slimmer, healthier you to be as fun and fulfilling as possible. That's why we're giving away 35 free, scrumptious, fat-burning recipes to everyone who signs up for our newsletter. These tasty dishes are designed to make your taste buds happy while helping you stick to your weight loss plan without feeling like you're missing out. And if you're dealing with diabetes or issues with blood sugar levels, we've got your back. Our advanced tactics are proven to help balance blood sugar and boost insulin sensitivity, empowering you to manage your health and steer clear of serious complications. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all diet plans and hello to personalized, evidence-based solutions. Subscribe today to grab our free recipe book and start getting exclusive insights, advice, and the support you need to tap into your body's fat-burning potential and finally achieve the lasting weight loss you've been dreaming of. Don't spend another day feeling stuck or downhearted. Join our winning community of happy success stories and discover the straightforward secrets to boosting your metabolism, shedding stubborn fat, and getting the best body of your life. Your transformation begins now.